Welcome to the part 2 of it. How long?
Oh, nagkasal dito.
Bayad
Sabi
ni ate
just
yan
got
ngayon.
laban.
Here's the gravy and here's your... Para
Siomay.
kita sa...
No, this is siomay.
Ay,
Ha? Sige na dad.
Siomay. Ow! Ow. Ow, ow, the Carabao.
Yung tinapay natin expired na. 23 lang yun, di ba?
alay.
Yung bread.
So, ano nga yun?
Pero okay pa.
Kaya ano?
Oo. Mamaya, kainit ulit. Paubos na. Ang duwanan? Mm-hmm. Are you gonna show them that you're gonna split?
No. I'm not gonna speak. It's why it's on my chin. Well, on my... Yeah, on my chin. I cannot reach it.
Taba kasi ng chips mo.
But... Alien.
No,
Wait, this the top.
no. That's ano, part of the skin. Oh. No, that's also part of the skin.
Wow. No! By myself.
What?
By myself.
What?
It's by myself.
Tagal eh.
No. Oh. 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 Look. Look. Heart.
Yeah.
That's for you.
Thank you. Thank you for loving Natalie so much.
Show the heart.
It will get removed.
Ah.
There's the heart. Look.
Yeah.
Oy.
Oi.
Oh, sige. Always farting all the time.
More gravy. This bulab. This. No. Wait. When I finish my food, I'm gonna pick up this one and put it on the and feed it to me. Okay?
Okay.
Ow. Ow, the Carabao. I'm a monster. The food is the human. Oh. Carabao. I'm done. I'm done.
Ito pa, oh.
Yan. I'm gonna do this.
Last subo.
Yes. Madina. But not last subo. Siomay.
Okay. At your siomay is the last.
Yeah.
Ayan na. Hindi. Ilang part ka na dyan. Meron pa sa first vlog. Sa part 1.
Comment how many farts do I have. Comment how many farts do I have. How many farts do I have? You need to comment. Comment it.
Ayan.
Comment how many farts do I have. How many farts do I have, I said. Okay. Come on.
Oh, you
You
eat it.
need to pick it up. My hand is ready.
Yes. It's okay because there's still a food.
Donut.
Oopsie.
Oh,
Why?
my singaw.
You have singaw? Do you know what singaw?
No,
What?
you know what does singaw mean?
When you were saying you have singaw.
Don't I know what singaw mean in English?
I don't wanna say what in English.
I have.
Dali na. I thought you're not gonna eat the siomay. I was gonna give it to Tita Ann and Tita so they can taste it na. But you're still going to eat? Really? Share? Kako. Daming laundry sa likod. Tapos lang ni daddy wash yung clothes. You don't want one more? You don't want? Okay.
No,
Hi, bye. Thank you for watching Absidy's
Bye.
vlog. Dinner vlog. Follow Absidy at All About Absidy's account in YouTube.
And subscribe them, like, and press the notification button.
Wow. Follow my baby.
Okay.
Like and subscribe.
Listen to me or yeah.
Nothing. Oh, bye-bye.
Okay, bye. Bye.